Hello my viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Sima Legacy, and today we are touring insane luxury super yacht 1.1 London. Please guys, stay tuned as we do just like this. 1.16 London. 1.16 London is a super yacht which is built mainly for luxurious people. It is also called mansion on the water because it has everything like that one of a mansion. This luxurious yacht was designed by 1.16 London on a 350 feet. With a concept of a mansion on the water, they created the most luxurious interior possible for such a special project. It has a modern swimming pool with a curved screen TV. It also consists of a casino, multiple bar areas, and inside and outside dining areas and private bedrooms. It also has a helicopter landing pad to the front of the yacht. This is an award-winning project for sure. Now I know you're asking yourself, is it on the market? Yes, it is on the market and you can purchase one. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on this channel for more updates on technology. Bye.